A membership site is a fantastic way to share your knowledge or creativity with people who find it highly valuable and are willing to pay you for access. But how do you get those people in the first place? If you're scratching your head on how to market your online membership site, this video is for you. Ahead, we'll talk about 5 keys for consistently attracting new members to your site. Let's get into it. Hello creators, I'm Ben Tolson from Podia, where we empower creators like you to make a living doing what you love. Today we're talking about marketing your online membership site, which can feel difficult because all of the value is inside the membership. I'm here to share some of the most effective ways to drive people to your membership site. The first key and one of the best ways to market your membership site is with an email list. Yes, it's 2019 and email marketing is still among the strongest marketing channels available. Email marketing can average between 2,000 and 4,000%, or between $20 and $40 for every dollar spent, which is well above average. So how do you get the most out of email marketing? I go into depth on using email marketing in this video on marketing an online course, but many of the same principles apply. I'll give you an overview of some of the tips you can use to get the greatest impact out of your email list. First, create a lead magnet to attract people to your email list. A lead magnet is typically something you give away for free in exchange for someone's email address. Some examples include email courses, checklists, templates, or PDF guides. You want to make sure it's something subscribers would find valuable and is also relevant to the reason they might join your membership site. Second, use content marketing to attract email list subscribers. Create helpful content either documenting the process of creating what's inside your membership or sharing valuable content that solves problems related to what's inside your membership, or a combination of both. You can also share bits and pieces of what's inside your membership as a preview of the kind of value someone might expect to get from your newsletter. This tip also works for attracting people directly to your membership site. An easy way to do this with Podia is using the public membership posts option. In the membership dashboard, you have complete control over who sees your content. This means you can choose to make a post public so everyone can see it. When you create a new post, click on the Access dropdown at the bottom of the post, then select Make this post public. You can always go back later and edit Access to make it exclusive to members. Third, guest post or be a guest on a podcast where the host's audience might stand to benefit from the unique perspective or solutions you provide. When looking for opportunities, be sure to make a personal ask and be specific about how you can bring value to the audience of the host you're reaching out to. If you're not sure who to reach out to, ask your audience what blogs they read or what podcasts they listen to. Also, talk to people in your network and see if you can make a warm connection with someone. You might be surprised to discover that one of your friends personally knows someone you'd like to meet. Fourth, host some kind of giveaway. You can encourage people to sign up for your email in exchange for the chance to win some kind of gift or even something you've created. This can be a very effective way to get a surge of subscribers in a short amount of time, but you want to make sure your giveaway is relevant to the type of content you share in your newsletter. For example, if you teach people to be better writers, maybe your giveaway could be a writing course or a book about writing craft. The more people feel the value you're providing is relevant to them, the more likely they'll stick around on your list. Finally, what's the point of having an email list if it's not eventually going to lead people to actually joining your membership? So that leads us to our 5th and most important email marketing tip. Use an email sequence that will build affinity, convince your subscribers that you will consistently provide value, and lead them to an opportunity to join your online membership. We recommend a 5-step sequence that looks like this. Email number 1, introduce and engage. Use this first email as an opportunity to introduce yourself, tell a story that gets them to think about a problem you can solve for them, and ask them a specific question related to the problem they might be experiencing. Email 2, share key insights. Now that your new subscriber has gotten to know you, you get to show them why they should trust you. In this email, you'll share specific knowledge or insights that solve the problem you mentioned in your previous email, establishing you as an expert and instilling a sense of trust. Email 3, reveal your solution. Now that your new subscriber trusts you and sees you as an expert, show them how subscribing to your membership site can give them even more of what they've come to expect from you. This is also a great opportunity to give them a chance to opt in using a soft sell. You're not trying too hard to sell them at this point, but if they're convinced and ready to join, you want to make it clear how they can move forward. Email number 4, overcome objections. One of the best pieces of sales advice I've been given is to build objections into your pitch. That's essentially what you're doing here. If you've sold long enough, or if you can put yourself in your potential member's shoes, you're probably aware of some of the things that might be holding them back from diving into your membership. Use this email to address those things so that by the time you make the final sale, they're out of excuses. Email number 5, the final pitch. If they've made it this far and you've done a good enough job answering their objections, it's time to sell. This is the part that many creators have difficulty with because they feel uncomfortable selling. But let me ask you a question. Do you believe that your membership makes life better for the right person? You probably wouldn't have a membership site if you didn't. If your membership was a building and the right person was walking around outside looking for a way in, wouldn't you want to make it as easy and obvious as possible for them to find the entrance, even if that meant you actually finding them and personally walking them through the door? That's basically all you're doing in this email. Remind them about who you are and what you're about. Remind them that the solutions they're looking for are inside your membership. Paint a clear vision of how their life will be better once they join, and put a big, bright, beautiful sign over the door so it's easy for them to find their way in. Just focusing on running effective email marketing alone can get you great results over time. But wait, there's more. On to key number 2. The second key is content marketing. When you give away highly valuable content for free, you prime people to want to take action. We talked about this a little bit as it relates to email marketing, but now we're going to get into how you can use content marketing to bring people directly into your membership site. This content is going to be aimed at people who are already aware of you and who already see you as an authority. For these types of people, you'll want to focus more on using your content to solve some of the more specific problems potential members might have, using mediums like blog articles, podcasts, or videos. These longer form types of content give you an opportunity to share lots of value and make the person consuming your content feel happy to take the next step and join your membership. This approach is especially powerful when you give people a way to leave feedback or ask questions and consistently engage with them. Another great way to share valuable content is through live events or webinars. Webinars usually consist of a live video stream of you sharing relevant value around a specific topic related to your membership. Often there's a chat component that allows you to interact directly with participants. Not only does this give you an opportunity to share a lot of value, but it also helps participants connect with you as a real person and see you as someone who will engage and answer their specific questions. Again, these strategies aren't complete without actually selling. If you've done a good enough job providing value and engaging with people, it's time to lead them through the door. The third key is word of mouth. If people find your membership site valuable, hopefully they'll spread the word to others about how much they've been getting out of it. There are a couple of ways you can actually help make this happen. The first way is to collect testimonials from satisfied members. One of the easiest ways to do this is to offer a no strings attached gift in exchange for their honest review or testimonial. While a gift can incentivize people to leave feedback, if you simply ask, people are still likely to be happy to share their experiences. A second way is to create an affiliate program. Affiliate programs usually work by giving the person who refers someone to your membership site a percentage of that sale. This can be especially effective if you have an affiliate with a large audience and lots of influence. Another great way to encourage word of mouth is making testimonials and member stories part of your content. Depending on the type of membership site you run, you may be able to regularly interview members and give them an opportunity to share their stories and how being a part of your membership site has helped them. This can take the form of a transcribed interview article, a podcast, a live video chat, or even an in-person interview. The fourth key is to use scarcity. Let me explain what I mean. People are more likely to take action when the window of opportunity to take action or to take advantage of a special deal is limited. There are a few ways you can use scarcity without creating false scarcity. First, offer a limited enrollment period. Keeping up with members and onboarding new members is time-consuming. It can actually be beneficial to limit enrollment to a specific window of time so you can give the proper focus and attention to the people who are inside your membership. Second, use price increases. If you are consistently adding new content and the value of your membership increases, it might make sense for the price to increase as well. We recommend locking in your existing members at their original price and then telling the people who have been on the fence about joining that the price of membership is about to go up. Your existing members will feel more motivated to stay because now they're getting a great deal, and potential members will want to lock in the best price before it's too late. Finally, you can offer limited membership trials. Give people a limited window of time or access to limited content so they can get a taste of what it's like to be a member. The fifth and final key is upselling your existing customers. An upsell is offering a special deal to your customer at the point of purchase. If you can make your offer compelling enough, you might be able to turn one sale into two. And let me show you what I mean using Podia's built-in upselling feature. Let's say you've got an online membership course that performs well in terms of sales. Now, normally you offer your membership at a price of $39 per month. But for people who purchase your course, you want to offer a discounted rate of $29 per month. In your online dashboard, click on the Products tab. This will show you a list of your digital products and courses. From here, click the Edit button next to your course. On the next page, below your course title, click on the Pricing tab. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see the Upsells section. Click on the Add an Upsell button, and under Select a Product, choose the membership plan you'd like to discount. Then under Discount Type, choose either percentage or dollar amount, and fill in the value you'd like to offer. Now when someone goes to purchase your course, they'll see an option to get a discount on your membership. You want to be sure to include in the sales copy that this offer is only available with this specific purchase. Using these 5 keys together can be an effective approach to attracting new people to your membership site. But remember, providing consistent, relevant value to your members is always a winning strategy because it reinforces the reason people choose to sign up in the first place and decide to stay. Which of these keys will you implement for your membership site? Are there other approaches that are working well for you? Leave those in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want more relevant content like this, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be the first to know when we post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.